Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to publish a video tutorial how to use the subdivision surface in sculpt mode because there's interesting option what I learned. Normally you can move mesh, but the thing is when you grab vertices, what it does, if you select grab active vertex, this option allows you to see wireframe or original state of the polygon before you apply the modifier. So you can see actual mesh when you try to move this. I think this also works when you switch to different mode like projected. You can see wireframe, but for some reasons it doesn't display everywhere. I think it is vector to turn follow option to sphere. So you can see highlighted mesh and wireframe. If you change it, you can see wireframe and applied modifier. You can see polygon mesh before you apply the subdivision surface. I would like to check if this works in multi-resolution option with multi-resolution modifier. I don't know if it works with multi-resolution. I would like to check. Unfortunately, multi-resolution doesn't support option grab active vertex. We have option optimal display, sharp edges. Okay, we have to switch to sculpt mode because I'm using, you can see a visible wireframe. So when you drag wireframe, it activates automatically. When you activate it in option tools, grab active vertex. If you deselect this, you cannot see. You cannot see low poly resolution or low poly mesh, only high poly mesh. This activates low resolution mesh and mesh which looks before you apply the modifier, or I will use different mesh cube. I would like to check something. Because I'm very curious what it will look like if I apply subdivision surface. Normally you can see in edit mode. I would like to check something. I will add a bit of geometry, little bit of geometry. Let's go back to sculpt mode. Now you can see wireframe, mesh. I also wanted to check once again because we have different file of shape. I will check projected. For some reasons, I think, I don't know why this doesn't come up here. You can see it comes up here, but I have to check something. Symmetry. We didn't check symmetry. What is fast navigate? You had better to use option when you work with this. Sphere means you can select single vertex. It is also you can see it is also highlighted. Here. Sharp, linear, sharper. We choose different preset, different preset. Consider this because this is important too. Now, I don't know what does this option do. Input sum is. I have to study this, but I wanted to show to you. So you can see mesh in wireframe mode. I just have to increase. This is the highest. Can I increase this? No, I cannot make this larger. What is this? On the other hand, it could be useful. Someone explained it works like proportional addition. Without it, I think it could be useful if you want to see what is inside of subdivision surface modifier. Or you can see invisible cage and hidden high resolution mesh under cage. I hope you like the video tutorial and see you. Have a nice day, guys.